A new limited edition ice cream flavor is coming to a local creamery in honor of Governor Shapiro's 50th birthday. In the next hour or so, Ripley's Creamery will introduce the limited time flavor Real Freedom for the governor to try.
Here's the first taste. Cheers. Cheers. Hi. That's really good. That's delicious.
Well, the flavor is a cherry cheesecake mix with fresh cherries and chocolate chunks. After the delivery to Governor Shapiro at 5 o'clock, the 16-year-old business owner says the flavor will be available for the public to try at the McSherrystown and the East York locations for a limited time. Today's summer solstice marks the longest day of the year, and still to come, a look at how a Lancaster County business is also using the day to raise awareness about Alzheimer's disease. On June 21st marks the summer solstice, the longest day of the year. But for families affected by Alzheimer's, every day can feel like the longest day of the year. Fox 43's Robert Stover shares how one Lancaster County business is working to raise awareness.
Reed Gooding discovered the Alzheimer's Association during his mother's battle with the disease, the illness that impacts a person's memory and thinking, tragically taking her life in 2015.
In the Alzheimer's world, the way I like to think of the longest day is when you're dealing with somebody that has Alzheimer's. When my dad was dealing with my mom, every single day was his longest day.
Not wanting other families to experience the same loss, Gooding uses his company, GSM Roofing, to raise awareness to the disease that's estimated to impact more than 6 million Americans.
We just had a brainstorming session one time about how could we do a little bit more.
Gooding's most recent attempt to raise awareness can be found on the streets of Lancaster.
We were getting ready to wrap a new vehicle, so we decided, well, let's start thinking about how we could turn it purple and show our support for the association.
Drivers can scan the QR code on the side of the vehicle to get connected with information on the disease, as well as ways to donate. Even if you don't see their van on the road, you can still get connected online by visiting their website.
If there's questions, if they have questions, that they can contact GSM.
Information about GSM Roofing and the Alzheimer's Association can be found on fox43.com. Robert Stover, Fox 43 News.
Since partnering with the Alzheimer's Association, Gooding has helped raise more than $500,000 in donations.